So first off, very big thank you to all the media people for coming here. It really means a lot. This film means a lot to me. So I want to call the two most special people without which this film won't be made, obviously. The most gutsiest and bravest people in Indian cinema today that I know. First, I want to call upon is Dinesh, who I've come to know as a friend during this process of this film. It's been a very emotional journey that we've shared, and I want to really give him a hug on stage for even letting Sriram sign me for this film. It takes a lot of guts because I have a total different image. So first, can we just call on stage Dinesh Vijan, please?
He was also very gutsy to play this role. I remember.
बंद कर दो लाइट हथौड़ा इधर ही है वरना. Next up on stage, I want to call the man behind this film, a man who's not going to be very happy if I praise him. He's very shy, very humble, very down to earth, but a mad genius, I would call him. If Hitchcock has a disciple in India, it has to be Mr. Sriram Raghavan. So please, everyone, give him a big, big hand. Sriram, you have to say something you have to say.
Just make sure you don't tell the story.
Since he's here, I have to say, कल हम लोग शूटिंग कर रहे थे, तो सीन कर रहा था मैं किसके साथ वो नहीं बताऊंगा, बट किसी को बांधना था, तो मैं बांध रहा था नॉर्मली जैसे लोग बांधते हैं. तो श्रीराम बिहाइंड, तो जितने भी लोगों को चोट लगी इस पिक्चर में वो इनकी वजह से, क्योंकि जब भी मैं कुछ करूँ पीछे से और बोलते और साउंड नहीं निकलता है तो खाली होता है, तो मैं देखता हूँ मैं साइक हो जाता हूँ, तो ही इज द कंट्रोलर. So next up on stage, I want to call another man who I am a big fan of. I have been since I saw Gangs of Wasaipur and all his other work, heard his story. We all respect him over here. He's none other than Mr. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Please, big hand for him. So just few words.
ऑफ कोर्स बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि मैं बहुत पहले से काम करना चाह रहा था श्रीराम के साथ, जब से मैंने उनकी शॉर्ट फिल्म देखी थी. तो और उसके बाद एक हसीना और ये सारी फिल्में का शौक़ लगा उनकी फिल्में देखने का, और बहुत मज़ा आया काम करके. वरुण की एनर्जी और ये सब ऐसा लगता है कि भाई साथ में काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया सबसे. क्यों, और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि जितने भी एक्टर हैं इस फिल्म में एक से बढ़ के एक एक्टर है. बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से कास्ट किया सब एक्टर्स को, और बहुत मज़ा आया.
अभी नवाज सर स्टेज पे है तो अकेले नहीं छोड़ सकते. उनकी जो पहली फिल्म की प्रेमिका है, उनके बिना आई थिंक ये दोनों अधूरे हैं. ये जो लव स्टोरी हम लोग कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं. अरे बोलने तो, इंट्रोडक्शन तो देने दो. हुमा कुरैशी गाइस. Huma, you'll say a few words. Huma will actually sing a song for you guys from the film. वो बहुत दिनों से प्रैक्टिस कर रही है. उन्होंने बोला कि काफी एक्ट्रेसेस आजकल गा रही है, तो Huma भी गा रही है. I can hit you with a hammer if you want.
I think I'd prefer that, है ना? No, I can't sing a song, but I just want to thank everyone on stage because they've made this film possible. I think it's very gutsy for the director and the producer of this film, Sriram, and to have really done this. For Varun, because he has this really chocolate boy image. Because when I first heard the script, I remember I was on a flight with Varun's dad and his mum. She's also here today.
It's actually a very funny story.
And like all mothers, his mum was very excited, and she's like, "Oh, you're doing a film with my Varun?" I was like, "Yes, auntie." And but I don't know, it's a very dark film. I've just heard it.
So my dad, my dad came home and he was like, "अरे हुमा को डार्क लग रहा है तो कितना डार्क होगा?" तो I said, मुझे नहीं पता. He's like, पर उसने कितने डार्क फिल्म्स किए तो ये कितना डार्क है वरुण? तो I said, आप देख लो, अभी मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. But you're in for a shock. Okay, anyway, we've got the rest of the stellar cast of Badlapur over here also, so I want to call all of them up on stage also. First up, I want to call the blockbuster Marathi heroine. She's going to hate me for this, but Tanta Naita Ghanta Nai Radhika Apte. you'll say a few words.
I'd like to thank Dinu, Sriram sir, Varun, Huma, Nawaz, Poonam, Pooja, everybody actually. I'm very grateful to be a part of this film and I've thoroughly enjoyed being a part of this film. Just one thing I'd like to say is that I've always felt that the grayness, the grey shades of characters is something that lacks in a lot of cinema here. And thank you very much for exploring that, because I think this film is going to be the epitome of that, and it's the best thing, I think, and I'm glad to be a part of it. Thank you.
Next up, can I have someone who made me very comfortable? I learned so much. I was, when I actually started shooting with her for this film, I was in a very dark place because of the stuff that we had done before this, and she really did hold my hand and was actually a friend and very, very sweet to me. That's Ms. Divya Datta.